just made it to the airport. My bag got flagged. I'm like, of course it did, it always does. And then the guy's like, do you have a credit card knife in your wallet? And I was like, oh, yeah, I do. They took my knife, but it's okay. I'm about to be at my gate though. I have to take my Dramamine to like knock myself out on the flight, and then I'll be on my way to Aruba. I made it to Aruba. I'm sitting and waiting for my mom right now, and then I think we have dinner tonight, so we're gonna get ready for that and go eat because I'm starving. Quick little room tour. Whoa, you can barely see me. So you walk in, I have a little TV, a little closet. That is my window, my giant bed with stuffy, and then I have my own bathroom. So cute, I'm so excited. I have to get ready for dinner. We are going to a place called Barefoot, I think it's called. We normally go when we come here, and it's so good. I get fish. I get this like triple fish like entree thing. Sorry if I'm sweating, it's so hot in this room right now. I just turned the AC on, but like I'm dying. But yeah, we're gonna get ready for dinner and go eat. Okay, the little closet is actually low-key kind of big. I'm probably not gonna put anything in here. I might like hang a couple things off of that, but for the most part, I'm just gonna live out of that corner.
Ours is not cooling off.
No? I don't think ours is.
Yours is cold compared to ours.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want to switch?
No.
Oh yeah, my room is cold.
Yeah. Go feel ours.
Yeah, come in here. Okay, sorry, I lied. I did unpack. So I have my shirts, my shorts, and then my bathing suit, and this is just like a cover up. And then I'll probably throw my shoes in here just because I want to be able to throw my dirty laundry into my suitcase and like not mix it up and not have to worry about it. So I feel like this is the easiest way. I'm just doing a little bit of makeup for dinner because I feel really like boring. I'm just doing like a tiny bit of blush and then like my inner corner. So the AC in my mom's room isn't working. I told her if she wants we can switch rooms, but I don't think she wants to. I don't even know if you can hear me. This fan is so loud and there's no light without the fan. So, there's a couple little freckles on my nose too. To pretend I got some sun even though I just got off the plane. But I sweat on my top lip. It's so hot in here. Really quick, whole fit. While I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna pack my beach bag too and just get that ready because I don't want to forget my GoPro tomorrow. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Really quick, can we just talk about my hair? Like, I really should have fixed it and I was just so lazy. All I needed to do was bleach that a tiny bit more. And I was just too lazy to do it. I just didn't feel like it. So now I'm walking around Aruba like this. I'm so exhausted. We just got back from dinner and walking on the beach. I'm so tired. We got ice cream quick after dinner too. But we're all just exhausted, so I think we're gonna go to bed. We're gonna try to see the sunrise in the morning. I don't think that's gonna happen. I'll probably just go get coffee in the morning and like chill at the beach for a little bit because I'm beat. I also rubbed my eye, so I have no wing on this side. I rubbed it like really hard. But I'm gonna take another shower and get in bed. My mom came in to wake me up and grabbed me by the foot and scared me so bad. Like startled me awake. So we're gonna go grocery shop, so we have like snacks and stuff in the house, and then we're going to the beach. I think we're going to snorkel. back from Eagle Beach. We all ate a snack and now we're gonna go snorkeling at this place. I can never pronounce it right, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. That is like one of my favorite snorkel spots. It's really cool, but there's a really scary like drop off there where it just gets like really deep into the ocean. But I changed my bathing suit. I'm wearing the one I was gonna wear this morning, but I changed because I don't know, I just like the other one better. And then tomorrow is gonna be really cool because we're gonna do the sunrise and then we're gonna go snorkeling at like the turtle spot and try to see some sea turtles. So that's gonna be really, really cool. So I'm very excited for that. I just got back from snorkeling and we took a ton of videos. I just took a shower. It felt amazing to get the salt water off of me. Tomorrow we're waking up for sunrise and then we're also going snorkeling at this place called Trapi, I think it's called. There's a lot of sea turtles, really cool, but you have to go in the morning to see the turtles. I'm not really sure what's going on after that, so I will keep you guys updated. I don't even know if you can hear me because it's so windy. We're about to watch the sunrise and my camera lens is really foggy because it's so humid. So I can't even use my camera, so I'm using my phone. But like, look at this. I don't want to miss it. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but we just stopped because there's a double rainbow. It's so pretty. I can't believe it's only 9 a.m.
I know.
We've done so much. So we went and saw the sunrise this morning. It was so pretty. It was absolutely beautiful. My camera fogged so bad I couldn't take videos on here, so I took them all on my phone, which is fine. But now we're going snorkeling at the turtle spot, which hopefully it's not too late in the day. I mean, it's only like 9:20 right now, so it's really early, but the turtles come out in the morning, so I wanted to go early. This is the same turtle spot we went to last time, and there were so many turtles. It was so cool. It was really, really fun, but it's very deep, so we got noodles so we don't like drown because we get really tired really quick. And then right next to the turtle spot is Boca, Catalina, which is another snorkel spot, which has a really, really pretty reef with a lot of cool fish. So we're gonna do that as well because they're right next to each other. So I'm super, super excited because last time we went, it was too rough and choppy and we didn't go in. So I'm very excited. Check. Stand. I'm full of flotation. I risk. probably look like a disgusting mess right now. I'm sorry. But like, look at this. So clear and just so pretty. Like, I just want to like drink this water. That's really disgusting, but I feel like I still look really pale. My hair looks disgusting. I just look horrendous. Yeah, like no tan line. Cool. I'm gonna take a shower and then I think we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. And then in the morning we might go to, there's like this butterfly thing, like a butterfly exhibit. We might go do that because I think that would be really cool. And then we'll probably go to Palm Beach. We haven't gone to Palm Beach yet, so we're gonna try to do that, I think. Alright, we just got PF Chang's for dinner. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just like overstimulated. Like, I'm in bed right now and it is 8:45. But I'm just so overstimulated. I like need a minute to just like, you know. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm just gonna sleep it off. I'm just gonna sleep. Good night. I'll be fine tomorrow. Loud ass bathroom again. This is my outfit. We're about to go to the butterfly place right now, so I'm gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna head over there. Well, the piece that holds my GoPro on just broke, so I'm gonna try to like basically rig this to make it work, which is great. I'm getting dive bombed by butterflies, like literally dive bombed right now. One just landed on my head. But this is so cool. Like, it is so pretty here. Look, they're all up on their mat. Look at them. Caught a lizard. Butterfly just landed on my leg and it felt really disgusting, but it was so cool. I could spend hours in here, like not even kidding. Literally hours. We just made it to Palm Beach. I just want to swim out to that thing right there. That's my favorite, and just like float on there. But it's so pretty here. I love Palm Beach so much. We normally stay near Eagle Beach, but Palm Beach is my favorite, I think. Yeah. I'll probably just swim. I'll probably swim out right now. All right. What do you need? Your book? Yeah. It's so cold. We're not moving. Oh yeah. I cannot with how yellow my roots are. And now that I'm red and like I got a little bit of color today, not really much. I have not like tanned well this trip, which usually I do, so I don't know what's going on. I'm about to shower though. I decided tomorrow I might want to get up and go to this coast for the sunrise. You can't really see the sun coming up like you could in my video the other day. It's still pretty, like the beach looks pretty. Maybe take some pictures, just like chill by the water. I feel like I haven't really gotten like a chill beach day, so I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And then we're doing a sunset cruise tomorrow, which will be really, really cool. Me and my mom and her boyfriend are all going, and I think it'll be so much fun. So really excited for that. And I will definitely have lots of pictures from that. So also, if you guys ever come here and you go to Superfoods, stop at the little tiny like coffee place, because this is like one of my favorite iced vanilla lattes in the world. It's an iced vanilla latte with oat milk. It's so good. I'm gonna go shower though. Quick butterfly exhibit haul. My mom's boyfriend got me these little earrings. They're little butterflies. He said he thought of me because I lost an earring in the ocean the other day, and I was totally like Kim Kang trying to look for my earring, but like it didn't work. I got this little bracelet. It just feels really summery. There's a little charm on it. The new bracelet goes so cute with my other bracelet. I got it at the Greek Fest. Like the colors, oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. And then I got my boyfriend this little butterfly koozie. I always get him a koozie everywhere I go. And then I'm obsessed with this is the back. Every worker there was wearing the shirt and I was like, I love that shirt. Like I love it. So I got that. That's my little haul. All right, now I'm going to shower for real. Okay, good morning. I completely missed sunrise, but I came to reserve a palapa because the palapas are really hard to get throughout the day. So I just ran here, like actually sprinted. So I couldn't record because I was running. But I got a palapa and I'm gonna go, like, I literally just woke up. It's like 7:20 probably right now. And I'm gonna go eat breakfast, get ready for the beach and come back. But I wanted a palapa because I want to sit under it and I want to have shade because I don't like not having shade because it gets really hot. It's already hot. Like it's already probably in the 80s right now here. So the beach looks so pretty. Anyways, yeah, I'm having a beach morning like by myself. So I'm really excited, to be honest. Like it's gonna be really nice, really relaxing. I can just go in the water and like just chill. So we haven't really chilled today, so I'm gonna do that. I am walking to the beach right now. Literally walking. My mom went to church, so I'm walking to the beach right now. It's literally like a 3-minute walk. Like my place is right there and then the beach is literally right there. So like it's an easy walk, but like I just hate walking places. Like I hate like having to carry my bag. Like this bag is heavy. It's got like a million things in it. But I'm going to find my palapa I reserved. I don't even remember which one it is, so I gotta find it. Fry because I can't get my own back. Like I can't get up here. Just hoping and praying that the wind took that and got some of my back for me. All right. We just went to dinner and they messed up our food. Like it was undercooked, so they made us new food, which is really, really good. I had ice cream and I feel really sick right now, so I'm gonna lay down and I'm gonna go to bed. We're gonna try to get up at like 3 in the morning to go see, there's like a huge like space storm, I don't know. So if that's cool, I will add that in. If not, then you'll see me at the animal farm in the morning. So I will see you guys there. I just bought the comfiest, like oversized large hoodie. It is like the thickest material I've ever felt in my life. And then I got my boyfriend this little chill cozy because it's cute.
Standard of your cup holding.
Hi. Hi. Shy. Hi. He just tripped. Time to snorkel. We're at Mangel Halto. It's really hot, so I'm about to go get in the water. We were like convinced that we found like the really pretty part of the reef the other day, but today we went and we definitely found like the actual spot everyone talks about, because there's like this really pretty, like it's pretty, but then all of a sudden it's like a oh my god type of moment, and it's like the prettiest thing ever. It's super wavy and choppy though, so I think we're gonna wait and maybe try to do it later today or like tomorrow morning, because it's a little iffy, like it's a little sketchy to go out there. So but we found like the reef and we're definitely gonna go explore it more because it's so pretty. I'm getting like progressively more frazzled every time. We just got home. We went to the beach and stuff. I'm gonna shower. I feel disgusting. Tomorrow we're going snorkeling at Mangel Halto again, and then we're gonna go to Baby Beach because there's cool snorkeling and it's a really pretty beach. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna try to get up for sunrise. It's probably not happening, but tomorrow's our last like full day and then we leave Wednesday. And like I'm really sad, I don't want to go home, but I also like miss everybody at home. So I'm going to maybe get up for sunrise tomorrow. Maybe. That is a big maybe. The salt on me right now is not. I'll see you guys for maybe sunrise, and if not, I'll see you snorkeling. We're about to go snorkel at this reef, and yesterday while we were there were barracuda, so I think I'm gonna take out my dangly belly ring because they're attracted to like shiny things, and I'm just like a walking shiny thing. Like I have a lot of piercings and stuff. I'm gonna take this out, but I almost pass out every time I do this. I hate it. I take it fully out because I've never taken it out like that, so I think it'll close. And I don't want it to close because I'm too scared to like go get it done again. This one is at least better than like a dangly one that's like, you know, in the waves. So okay, I probably will just take these out too. Actually, no, I'm leaving them in. If I get attacked, I get attacked. I don't care that much. All right, before I lose my mind, let's go. I love him. Today was by far like the best. I still have a mask mark and like covered in sand. Today was like probably one of the best snorkel days we've had literally in any of my trips to Aruba. Like it was just amazing. And now we are getting dressed and we're going to dinner because it's like 7:20 probably right now and we haven't really ate. So also my lips are super chapped and sunburned right now. I'm like on the struggle bus, but we are going to shower and go to dinner.
My hole is so good. The fish is bigger than mine.
We literally left for dinner at 7:45. I would say we got there at like 7:50 because it's literally right down the road. We just got home. It's 10 p.m. almost. 9:47. 2 hours at dinner. That was crazy. Like we sat there for so long. I'm so tired. But I'm gonna pack because that's the current state of my room. So I'm just gonna pack now so I don't have to do it in the morning. And then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm getting up for sunrise. So I know I keep talking about snorkeling, but like my body hurts so bad. And like the way I snorkeled, like my butt sticks out of the water, so my butt is just fried, like a purple right now. I also still have a snorkel dent. We left the beach at like 6 and there's still a dent in my forehead because my mask is so tight. So that's great. I just went to dinner like this. Like, that's fantastic. It's really awesome. It's really great. Rip. I'm so sad. We're about to check out our Airbnb and I'm really sad because it felt like I was like barely here. Like this week flew by. But I'm excited to go home to my cats and my boyfriend, so I'm not like too sad, you know. We're going to breakfast and we're walking around downtown, so I'll show you guys a little bit of downtown depending on where we go. You know, we have Montana, so we're just like, whoa, 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 yeah. That's me. Duck dog. He can't make noise. Hi, duck dog. Hi. I'll go get some crackers. End of my trip. I'm at the airport waiting to go home. I have a 4-hour flight to Atlanta and then a 3-hour layover and then a 2-ish hour flight home, and I get home at 1 a.m. so I'm exhausted already. I'm gonna be exhausted tonight, but it was such a fun trip. It was so worth it, so much fun. I hate going home. It's my least favorite part, but I'm sad but also like ready to go home to my bed and my cats and my friends. Seriously? I told you not to buy them. Thank you. I told my mom I wanted these and she came back to my gate to give these to me because she's flying home to a different place. It's ridiculous. Anyways, that's the end of my vlog, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.